Hey, me, what's your flavor? I found these at the local market. They're Spears Hot Pickles Grillo. Excuse me. We about to try it right now. It's off. Let's shake the... Oh, shut up. Look at that. Okay. Right away. Stop it right now. Look at that. I think that was garlic. That's amazing. Stop it. Oh my god, that's spicy but so good. Crisp and clean. It's like as if you took a cucumber and a pickle and you fucking mashed it together. That's what it's giving. That's so good. Third pickle. 10 out of 10. 15 out of 10, bitch. I'm gonna put all that so Raven and eat my Grillos. Yeah. I'm going. Goodbye.